Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, I'm Peyton. I have a sister named Lila, and we're the Wesson girls. And today I'm unboxing a FLEXIMOUNTS storage container. And let's get started. I've already tore the tape open. So it's kind of heavy, which is good. I think it's like multiple containers. Oh, it's scaring him. Okay. This was so easy to put together. All you do is snap it in place. And then there's little doors, which is so cute. And oh my god, that is amazing. And now, like these, I'm pretty sure they snap on top. So, I'll fix it. See, like, it's just snapped like that. And that was so easy to do. And then... So upside backward.
Yeah, take that top off and read it. So all the doors in the front.
Oh. And it's super easy to put together. So I'm going to use this in my room to store my leggings and shorts, and it is so cute, and like it's like perfect for anything. It can do anything for any stuff, but it's so cute and super easy to put together. I think I put it together in like 3 minutes maybe. So in mine, I put my leggings and sweatpants, and they're really nice because they're really easy to open. All you do is hold it, push, and pull, and that's what it looks like. And I love these so much. And I have shorts in that one. So overall, these are really good.